Hey everyone, it's Sarah and I am going to show you the goodies from my summer, I believe it's the edit sale. I just received everything, almost everything. There is one thing outstanding and I'm not going to delay it for that because it's just a pizza cutter. And then I realized that I just got done a little while ago recording my long overdue summer box video, and I realized that there were two items that I left off of that because I put one of them away and I was using one of them. One was this Daily Concepts towel wrap. I have the hair turban wrap, which I believe is this brand, and I love it, so I got this. I thought it was really good for gym bags and things like that because it's compact, and I thought it would be good for that. Good to put in your gym bag. And then this, I've already taken this on a trip. These, I had a couple others of these rush chargers. This particular one, you can charge Apple with it. You can charge Android. And then there's another one. Oh, this is Android. Oh, this is like the old school Android. But yes, love these. They're super duper fast. So if you're going to Disney or something like that, you need one of these suckers because your battery will be kaput. You have to have one. All right. So those were from my box, from my summer box. All right. So the edit stuff. I didn't get very many things, but this was cheap. This was $5, I think. $3, $5, super cheap. But this is just a shake. One of the shake things has the ball in it to make protein shakes. These are little notebooks that I thought were pretty. There are different colors. There's that design. Don't know if it's worth it to open it, but why not? It's going to be short anyway, so might as well just try and take a look at everything. Let's see how, hopefully it doesn't take too long to open it. But I thought the pink was really cute, and I actually think I like this watercolor swirl one better. This is actually prettier, I think. Yeah. And then there's this. This is also pretty. But then you have the Goldie one. These would make nice little journals or notebooks, whatever. And then these have little file things. I'm trying this year to be better about saving my receipts and things for taxes. And I thought this would make it a little more fun. So I already have labels and everything, so there's that. And it came also with this. I could have used this right before my knee surgery. Stay positive, puzzles, games, brain teasers, and more. Has Sudoku, word puzzles, things of that nature. This is just a little notebook. So cute. I'm always writing things down. I take some notes on my phone if that's all I have available, but I am always making lists, so I like having paper available. This is a Lily Pulitzer journal, which I wanted to start journaling again, so I thought, and her designs are always beautiful, so love that. Hopefully it's a good pen, because you know sometimes when you get a set, the pen is all dried out and not so great. I got this Game Changer. I think I got two of these. I already put one of them up. Game Changer multitask hair mask. I can always use hair masks. Sometimes I'll do a deep conditioner and a hair mask because my hair is not easy to tame, especially in months where we're having more moisture and things like that. Then I was super excited when I saw these. It looks like a dog bed, doesn't it? It's not a dog bed. No. This is actually a floor cushion, and my son has decided that even though we have this nice huge sectional, he likes to sit on the floor, and it just seems weird to me. So I bought these. I wish that you could get more than 3 at a time. I maxed it out. I got 3, and I thought, you know what, if they don't wind up getting used, then we've got extra dog beds. It was only $15, which I thought was crazy because you pay more than that for a dog bed, and they actually are nice. They're thick. They're, and firm and squishy at the same time, comfy. He liked them a lot, so they're great. I'm going to store them in an area under my coffee tables, and then if I can get one more, I'm probably going to get one more, and then we'll have 4. I think they'll be great for if people want to have a little snack at the coffee table or game nights, stuff like that. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoy this. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.